Imagine for a moment that you are already in the position you desire. You're not waiting for an interview, hoping for an offer, or worrying about the competition. Instead, you are already hired. Feel what that feels like. See yourself walking into the office, sitting at your desk, and engaging in the tasks that come with the job. This is not a future event that you are working toward, it is something that is happening now, in your mind. This is the essence of using visualization to manifest your desires, and it is one of the most powerful tools you can use to change your reality quickly. When we talk about getting hired in 48 hours, we're not talking about magic or luck. We are talking about the deliberate and conscious use of your imagination to bring about a change in your life. Your imagination is more powerful than you might believe. It shapes your reality, and when used correctly, it can bring forth the job you desire with surprising speed. The first step is to get clear on what you want. When you think of getting hired, what does that look like to you? What kind of job is it? Where is it located? How do you feel working in that environment? Clarity is key because the mind works best when it has a clear target. If you are vague about what you want, you will receive vague results. But when you can clearly define the job you desire, you give your mind the focus it needs to bring that vision into reality. Now, here's where the real work begins. Once you have a clear picture of the job, you must immerse yourself in the feeling of already having it. This is crucial because it's not just about seeing the job in your mind, it's about feeling it. Feel the excitement, the relief, the satisfaction of having already achieved it. How does your body feel knowing that you are now hired? This feeling is what will drive your manifestation. The more you can immerse yourself in the feeling of already having the job, the faster it will come to you. Do not underestimate the power of feeling. Your feelings are the engine behind your thoughts, and when your feelings are aligned with your desire, manifestation becomes effortless. Many people focus too much on the physical actions they need to take to get hired, updating resumes, applying for positions, networking, but they neglect the inner work. The truth is, the inner work is where the real power lies. Your external actions are important, but they are secondary to the internal state you cultivate. If you can align your inner state with the feeling of already having the job, the external actions will flow naturally, and opportunities will come to you with ease. To further strengthen your visualization, practice seeing yourself in situations that confirm you are hired. See yourself receiving the offer letter or shaking hands with your new employer. Visualize your first day at work, interacting with your colleagues, and performing your tasks with confidence and competence. These mental rehearsals prepare your mind and body for the reality you are creating. The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. Another key to success is persistence. You may not see immediate results in the physical world, but that doesn't mean nothing is happening. Once you plant the seed of your desire in your imagination, trust that it is already growing. Stay persistent in your visualization, especially when doubt creeps in. Doubt can be one of the biggest barriers to manifestation. When you doubt, you are essentially telling your mind that you don't believe in the reality you are creating. But if you can persist in the feeling of already having the job, even in the face of uncertainty, you will see the results manifest in your life. You also need to be open to receiving. Sometimes, the job will come to you in a way that you didn't expect. It might not be through the company you initially had in mind, or the position might come with a different title than you thought. Don't get attached to the specifics of how it will happen. Instead, stay open and trust that the right opportunity will come at the right time. Your job is to stay focused on the feeling of already having it and to let the universe work out the details. When you are living in the end, imagining the result as already done, you activate a powerful force within yourself. You stop looking for the job and start living as if you already have it. This shift in consciousness is what creates the opening for the manifestation to occur. Your mind will begin to find ways to make your vision a reality, and opportunities will present themselves in ways that you couldn't have planned for. It's also important to let go of any anxiety or desperation about the outcome. When you're desperate, you are focusing on lack. You're telling yourself that you don't have the job, and that energy creates resistance. Instead, focus on the joy and fulfillment of already being hired. Enjoy the process of imagining yourself in your new role, and let that be enough. The more you can detach from the need for the job to manifest in a specific way or time, the faster it will come to you. You can enhance your visualization by incorporating affirmations that align with your desire. As you visualize, repeat statements like, "I am hired, I love my new job," or "I am confident and successful in my new position." These affirmations reinforce the belief that your desire is already a reality. The key is to say these affirmations with feeling, as if they are true right now. This helps to reprogram your subconscious mind, which will begin to accept these statements as fact. In addition to visualization, pay attention to any intuitive nudges or impulses you feel. Sometimes, your inner guidance will direct you to take a certain action, apply for a specific position, or reach out to someone. Trust these impulses, as they are often leading you toward the manifestation of your desire. Your intuition is a powerful tool, and when you're in alignment with your desire, it will guide you toward the right opportunities. One of the most important things to remember is that you are the creator of your reality. You are not at the mercy of external circumstances or other people's decisions. You have the power to shape your experience through your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. When you take control of your inner state and deliberately focus on the reality you want to create, you will see the outer world shift to match your inner vision. So, visualize the job you desire, feel the joy of already having it, and persist in that feeling no matter what. As you do, you'll find that opportunities begin to flow to you effortlessly. You won't need to chase after the job or struggle to make it happen. It will come to you naturally, as a reflection of the inner state you've cultivated. In just 48 hours, your entire reality can shift. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with the outcome you desire, you set the stage for rapid manifestation. Stay focused, stay persistent, and trust in the power of your imagination. The job you want is already yours. All you need to do is claim it in your mind and let it unfold in your experience. As you move forward, know that the power to manifest the job you want lies within you. It's not about waiting for the right opportunity to come your way or hoping for things to change on their own. The key is in your ability to visualize, to feel as though the job is already yours, and to trust in the process. Your imagination is a tool that can shape your reality, and when used with intention and clarity, it can bring results faster than you ever thought possible. If you're serious about manifesting the job you want within 48 hours, now is the time to put everything you've learned into practice. You've already started the process by getting clear on what you want and by visualizing yourself in the position you desire. Now, continue to cultivate that feeling of already being hired. Let that feeling guide your actions and decisions in the coming hours and days, and trust that the opportunities will unfold naturally. Don't get caught up in the details or stress about how it will happen. Simply keep your focus on the outcome and maintain a relaxed sense of certainty that the job is already yours. By staying aligned with the feeling of success and achievement, you allow the manifestation to flow into your life without resistance. If you found this content helpful, I encourage you to like this video so that others can benefit from this information as well. By liking the video, you help spread the message and make it easier for others to discover these teachings. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to stay updated on future videos that can guide you on your path of manifestation and personal growth. Each video brings valuable insights that can help you harness the power of your imagination to transform your life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're the first to know when new content is released. Subscribing ensures that you don't miss out on any opportunities to deepen your understanding of these powerful concepts. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or anyone who could use a little inspiration in their job search. Sharing this knowledge can help others unlock their potential and attract the opportunities they're looking for. Lastly, take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already. You'll be joining a growing audience of people who are dedicated to mastering the art of visualization and manifestation. Subscribing is a simple way to stay connected and continue your journey toward creating the life you desire.